It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to make clay heart ornaments. We'll use air dry clay and small beads to make your own heart ornaments for gifting or displaying. Let's gather our materials. The materials we'll need for clay heart ornaments are air dry clay, and we use Crayola air dry clay, but you can try this with other air dry clays as well. A rolling pin, a heart cookie cutter, a drinking straw, and small beads. Let's set up for success. To prepare for the best possible experience with your clay heart ornaments, you'll want to protect your work surface with a plastic art mat or tray. Let's create. To begin, roll a ball of air dry clay out onto the plastic placemat or onto a sheet of parchment paper that is on top of the placemat to about 1/4 inch thick. Use the heart cookie cutter to cut out heart shapes. Punch a hole at the top of each heart with the drinking straw. And then decorate the hearts by pressing the small beads into the clay. And you can do this in an all-over design. You can create a pattern. You can put the beads around the edges or use the beads to create a picture or a letter or anything you like. Let the clay hearts dry thoroughly to harden, at least overnight, and then use a ribbon to hang them. I hope you enjoyed this craft activity.
It's time to create.